Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to find the exact GPS coordinates, latitude and longitude of any location on Google Maps, whether you're using your phone or a computer. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app. Zoom in and move the map around to find the place you want. For now, I'll be choosing Yengo National Park. Then tap and hold on the location until a red pin drops. A small white bar will appear at the bottom. Swipe on it and you will see the coordinates listed in decimal format, something like this. You can tap and hold the coordinates to copy them and share or save for later. Coordinates are great for sharing exact meeting points, adding locations to GPS devices, and marking off-grid places. And yes, that's how you can easily find the coordinates of any location using Google Maps on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more useful how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.